So similarly, since see the previous case we used capacitor in series, resistor in shunt, we can use the reverse also, capacitor in shunt and resistor in series. So which is going to be called as a lag network. Okay, so first one is a lead network and this one is going to be lag network. This is also going to provide you the desired RC phase shift oscillator design. So you can study any one. You can study this one for your exam. This one, understand that there is one more connection of RC is also possible, which will provide oscillation in this one. Instead of having capacitor in shunt, I'll be series. I'll be having capacitor in shunt, and resistor is going to be in series. So this circuit is also going to provide an analysis. Everything you see, it is going to be exactly same, and you will find the frequency of oscillation is this one, f naught equal to √6 by 2 pi RC. And the minimum value of beta is 29, so the gain must be more than 29. You know, when beta is 1 by 29, you know gain is going to be 1 by beta. It is a reciprocal of beta, right? So if beta is 1 by 29, gain value will be 29. So there the minimum gain was 44.5 in the previous case. Here the minimum gain has to be 29. So if you change the value of R and C, the frequency of oscillation is also going to change.